Hello everyone, today I wanna teach you what is head element and what elements you should write inside the head element. Head element does not work alone. We have to write some code in head section, then the head section will going to work. Title. Each website has a title. You have to write your own title. My first web page. Close. Say. Now when I double click, see my first web page. It is the title here. Right click again, open with brackets, and then link meta base. This three element doesn't need to write closing tag. Later on you will gonna learn what is those elements. Script. A script means we write a internal JavaScript code here, but later on you will gonna learn how to bring your external JavaScript code here. Style. A style element means we write an internal CSS code here, and later on you will gonna learn how to bring your external CSS code here. And template, and later on you will gonna learn what is template. Now this is your head section is complete. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.